Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to contact the BDO customer service, then this video is for you. First, you have to search for BDO customer service, just like this, and Google will provide you the phone number that you can use to contact with BDO customer support. So this is actually their headquarter number 011-800-8631-8000 here. Or otherwise you can find the contact us page of the BDO. So this is the actually their official website where you can find that how you can contact BDO from outside the Metro Manila or the Philippines, or what is the number to call in case of Philippines or complaints. So in case of problems and complaints, so this is the active number, the hotline that you can use, that is +632 8888 and 0000. So here you can see outside Metro Manila you can also go with the global lines. This is actually #4840. So for landline only, press hash then followed by this, just like this. Now international toll free NOS, for that you have to go with this, call BDO, just follow this number here. Now here is how you can contact outside of Metro Manila or the Philippines. So here you can see the hotline that you can use from worldwide and international toll-free number here are Guma 1-888-747-2621. From Saudi Arabia you can go with 00800-863-0011, or United Arab Emirates 00800-606-300021. So here is the international access code that you can go with, like this, all of this. Now from here you can find all of the details. You just need to go to the bdo.com/this contact us, or you can follow this from here, just this, like about BDO, then learn, then help and support, then /contact us, and you can find the contact us page and you can go with the instruction from here. So hope you got this, or otherwise you can find all the contact us, or you can contact them with the Facebook community or the LinkedIn community, or you can follow their YouTube channel for some instruction and notices. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.